Cue that song and go be like, welcome to the jungle. These are my plants. Yes, my plants. I got a new hobby, you guys. I am a plant collector. I have several of plants. And today I want to show you a few plants that you can get if you're looking for a nice beginner-friendly plant that is forgiving, you know. Guess you could say they are low maintenance. They're low maintenance, but don't forget that you got them and just like think they're fake because they're still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. That's my jam. Anyway, first plant, the ZZ plant. So this is one of my ZZ plants. It is not a new plant to me. I got this at a farmer's market sometime last year. When I first got this boy, when they said low maintenance and it tolerated low light, I thought that meant that this bitch could just sit in the dark. And she was dying. And I was like, damn, I'm killing a ZZ plant? Like, ZZ plants don't be, you know, dying. But yeah, so I was like, killing a ZZ plant? Like, what am I doing wrong? Baby girl ain't getting no light. She was literally in the corner, like 20 feet away from the window. So shorty was dying. She was fighting. She was on her last leg. What's that song? 5 miles to empty. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-do. Oh, I hear you. I don't know what song that is. All right, so this is the ZZ plant. I have 2 of these bad boys. So this is the green one. She a little dusty. And this is my Raven ZZ. And she, you know, I'm really proud of her. And I can't even say I'm proud because when I bought her, she had so many points of new growth. Like this mug right here, it was not this tall when I got it. But she probably shorty started off like right here. And I asked the person, I said, what is that? I said, what is that bulbous bulb coming out of this plant? She said, I don't know, it's probably a flower. It's probably blossoming. I'm like, oh shit. They blossom too. And I was thinking on my poor ZZ that I had at home, you know, by this time she had recovered. But I'm like, damn, shorty ain't never did nothing like that for me. So I must have really like, I need to take care of shawty. So like, this is inspiration for my other shawty. And as this one continues to grow, I'm going to make more ZZ plants because this is actually one of my favorite plants. I like the foliage. I like the stalks have multiple points of leaves. I don't know. I'm not no science teacher, botanist. But this shit right here is amazing. Like, look how beautiful this is. Like, it warms my heart to look at it. Okay, next plant. This is a snake plant. Another one of my favorites. Very, very low maintenance. They are a succulent. They do good in basically all types of light. So does the ZZ. But this one right here can tolerate lower light conditions. But low light conditions does not mean no light conditions. Still needs light. You're not going to want to water this bad boy that often. I killed one like a month or 2 ago because silly me, I watered it twice in like 1 week because I forgot. I was like, oh, did I water this? It died. How you going to kill a snake plant? That's crazy. But I did. And I got a couple of these to replace them because I love them. They're awesome. They're pretty. Next plant. Okay, so these ones I have a lot of because they come in a lot of different varieties and they all have great benefits. This is a pothos. This one specifically, I believe, is a golden pothos. I like to talk to my plants like this to let them know that I love them. Anyway, pothos is very great because they too are low maintenance and they grow like weeds. They also tolerate low light conditions, but they thrive in bright. Pretty much all plants thrive in bright indirect light, but they can tolerate other conditions. But I want you guys to also understand that thriving and living are 2 different things. That go for plants and you, boo. It's a difference. It's a difference, okay? But don't worry, the hobbyist got you. We're gonna talk about it. Don't worry about nothing. This is another version of the pothos. This is a, they call it enjoy. Oh, shoot. Put that down. Sometimes, you know, leaves be dying and shit, but you know, it's a part of life. You know, break a nail sometimes, split ends. Things die. Like I said, I have a lot of these. I am going to show you all of them in this video. But yes, pothos. That was number 3. This is number 4. This is a philodendron. Now, there are different types, of course. I believe some are more hardy than others. This one is very similar to the pothos in the fact that it's a vining plant. The care is very, very similar. But like, look at this beautiful, beautiful, like, what do they call this? variegation. Photosynthesis. Look at all this. Like, each leaf is unique, like a snowflake. Like, when I seen this in the greenhouse, I had to get Shirley. Like, I was like, look at you looking at me, looking at you. What's your name? And she was like, Plant. Anyway, though, yes, another good one. But the philodendron come in all green shades. They come in rare plant varieties too, like the pink princess. People be spending money, honey, on that. And let me tell you something, baby. The most I spent on a plant, probably like $30, maybe. You know, if I got a little cheese on me and I was a really like keeping up with the plants and taking care of them plants, then I spend some more. But the way my life is lifing right now, baby, I'm gonna propagate the shit out of these. Next plant. Okay, the last set of plants that I want to show you when it comes to low maintenance plants that you can get if you're a beginner, that you would enjoy taking care of, because they don't require that much, but they do require something. So if you don't want to do nothing, then get a fake plant. This is damn near close to having a fake plant. It's called an air plant. And I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. I think they alive, but I don't even know. Shit, they acting like dust collectors now that I'm looking at them. You see they look dusty. Oh, is this alive? I'm still alive. I don't want to show y'all that close because this motherfucker like a dust magnet. Ugh. But all these bad boys doing, they're different types of air plants. Don't get me wrong. Like, it's different types, and different types require different things. But these ones, spray these like maybe once a week, and you don't submerge them or douse them or anything. Okay, so, you know, do as I say, not as I do. I think these are alive. I try to spray these once a week. You don't want to get the roots wet on these ones particularly. But you know what? I ain't gonna hold you. The bees is mad boring. That's why I don't give a damn. It's like potpourri on some real shit. Shorty don't grow or nothing. Like, I got them when I built a terrarium. I just can't speak today. But I got them when I built a terrarium. And I took it down recently because shit be taking up too much space in this little ass apartment. I wanted to take on my new endeavor. So, you know, if these ever die off, then, you know, maybe I might use this space for something else. Maybe pottery. Shit. Who knows? But I ain't even gonna hold you up. I really do think these are dead now that I'm looking at them closely. Okay, guys, that's all the Hobbyist has for you today. I appreciate you partaking in this here video right here. Guys, as always, I am the Hobbyist.